Talking about combination locks. So, heard of the story. Master Lock is the best-selling lock in the world, and probably the best-selling lock in America. But what they don't have is competition from another country. This is a combination lock. These master locks were always been made in America. This is a newer lock. This is an old lock that I bought from 8 years ago. So let me try to use this, for example, shimming. Shimming for these locks, when it comes to shimming, they try to invent something called anti-shim system. Oh, this is an older lock. Let me show you how this thing goes. Alright. See if I'm working a lock. Even though you can see me alright, I'm gonna see this thing. Okay, I opened this lock. Oops, someone tell me. I opened this lock. This is an older prototype lock. See there? And once I made this, once these locks could open with a soda can, with a Coca-Cola can. You make a shim, you try to make the M. Yeah, these are easier to break down. So it has no jam. Now this is called the anti-shim, supposedly anti-shim. So close the door. Shim, supposedly. Now, what I'm gonna do with this lock, I'm going to open this lock. The problem is with these newer ones, is jamming. A jam could piss you off. I'll run back on this lock. All the way, this newer one. $5 I paid. I rode a bike with this lock. I lock it up in the chain. It's made in the US also. The problem is jamming. You know, this is what the problem with this lock. This one is jam free. See that? But you could use a soda can or Coca-Cola can, and you shim it. This one is supposed to be, but let's see. I hope it won't jam. I'm jamming. This is the problem with this lock. It's jammed. Another attempt. Still jam. So, this is what I'm saying about this. This is an older lock. It's open. It is made better. It's jam free. This one's a little bit newer. It has a jam. Okay, it took me long to open this lock. Difference is that this lock, you see it, it's newer, has the R. I see somebody open this with a soda can, with a Coke can one time. You gotta make it more deeper to hit the shackle with a new and improved shim. You could like go up and down and jam it, and you open the shackle. It takes longer, but you shim it and it leaves it open, even though it's made in the US. Now, this is what master has to deal with competition. This is a Shimano. This is a Shimano padlock. Master, what they never approach is this. Can't even use a shim. Well, nobody could jam it. Nobody could open this crap. So you can't shim it. This is just a key padlock. This is Shimano's combo padlock. Right here, same. I copied this from Master's Easy Lock. They go up, down, down, sideways, and it open up, and you press the shackle right there. Well, it was a pain in the ass. So this is a combo lock from Shimano. Same technique. You can't shim it. You can't put any soda can. It's so hard to shim it. But the mechanism, this is what it is. You put combination locks, whatever the combination locks say. Let's say for my lock, if my master locks is use 37 and 39 and 21. If it's this lock, it has no jam. It's 100% jam free and is shim proof. So this is the Shimano locks, but Shimano needs to make those locks. They're shim proof, jam free, and made in Japan. Why made in Japan? Because made in Japan equals a jam free lock and a shim proof lock. See, this one, you need a key. This one is jam free, 100% jam free. Jam free lock. Somebody make a shim, you can't do it. Not even a traditional store shim, nor that soda can shim that somebody told me how to open the what's so called anti-shim lock from the master that I have. Thank you for the video, and if Shimano makes these locks and then producing locks, my next lock will be a Shimano like this one. Why? Even though it's not made in the USA, it's shim proof, jam free, and made in Japan. Like they made in Japan equals a jam free lock. Thank you and have a nice day.